Many customers feel that an additional surface skimmer is unnecessary because their pools already have built-in skimmers designed to circulate water and suck in debris from the surface. To test this belief, we filmed the pool and discovered that the built-in skimmers are often ineffective. The pool skimmers do not consistently pull in debris. Instead, surface debris moves around the pool without being sucked in. These observations demonstrates the need for a more direct and powerful cleaning solution to remove water surface debris. Genkinno's surface skimmer is designed to take on this challenge. As a Genkinno and +1 accessory, the surface skimmer offers great value. Powered and towed by the robotic cleaner, it stays light and simple without extra bulky and expensive parts. This means Genkinno robotic pool cleaner owners can enjoy the convenience of a robotic skimmer at just 1/3 the price of other skimmers. Unlike other robotic skimmers that incorporate batteries and drive motors, the Genkinno surface skimmer is exclusively focused on cleaning, free from the added bulk of hosting these components. It is the only robotic skimmer equipped with 3 separate water intakes on 3 sides. Each intake is fitted with a water wheel that generates substantial suction power, ensuring efficient capture of debris from any direction. The surface skimmer moves around the pool when the robotic cleaner is working, allowing it to continuously intercept moving debris on the pool surface. The ultra-fine filter basket removes leaves, hair, bugs, and pollen, ensuring that the pool remains sparkling clean.